Hey, I'm Richard Blais, and I'm the man with the pan. I'm in Los Angeles, California, at a park where I'm trying to convince random people to let me come into their home and cook a quick, simple, delicious lunch. What do you say?
No. Not yet.
I could come to your home and cook a quick, simple dish out of your cupboard and pantry.
Is this a joke?
This is not a joke. It's a tough ask. Can I get a second of your time?
Nah, man.
That's
No?
Richard from Top Chef.
It's Richard from Top Chef.
We love the show. We
Well-
just can't do it right now.
Okay. Well, listen, I don't want anyone looking inside of my fridge. There's rotten parsley in my fridge. And probably yours too. Hi, I'm Richard Blais from The Rachael Show. Would you let me come to your house and cook lunch for you with just me and a few friends and a couple million people watching at home?
Let's do it.
You're up for it?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Let's do it.
Let's go. Hello. Hi. Richard Blais from The Rachael Show.
Hi.
Alyssa, I'm the man with a pan.
Awesome.
You are the homeowner with a pantry.
Kind of.
What about a pasta salad?
That'd be awesome.
Okay. Fridge is looking really, really good. It looks like you have a mason jar filled with what looks like homemade pickles. Ding, 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 ding. Whatever video game it is, I just hit the jackpot here. Jessica, you got a cutting board?
Yeah.
And have a moist paper towel under the cutting board so that the cutting board doesn't slide around when we're chopping vegetables. Have you never done that?
No.
Oh my gosh, you make your own pickles, but you don't know the cutting board trick. You said something about gardening and growing. Do you have
Yeah.
anything like ready to harvest?
I have some basils, and then I have some serrano chilies.
It's the chili of LA. I just made that up. I feel like this avocado is gonna be like a key ingredient. Let's just scoop it right into that blender. Let's grab a yellow onion and let's dice it. And while you're doing that, I'm gonna pour a little bit of the pickling brine into our food processor. This is just done perfectly, so we're gonna strain out our pasta. A little cool water just to sort of stop the cooking process. That's called shocking. It's shocking, don't you think?
That is shocking.
It is just totally shocking
I'm
right
shocked.
now. This is gonna be an avocado dressing, a little bit of mayonnaise to just help it spin in the food processor. Go ahead. And we want it smooth, so we'll go all the way. You're naturally a pulser. I can tell you're a pulser. Let's go half of a lime in there. So if we roll the lime or any citrus, it sort of loosens up all the juice that's inside of the lime. Limes we cut kind of in thirds, not in half like you would a lemons. And then look, here's the shot that's gonna win the Emmy. Silence,
really impressive.
silence. We got our avocado dressing base, our pasta's cooked. We're sort of working on our garnish. Some dried spices I think would really wake this up.
Okay.
So this is called stacking flavors, right? We have dill that's in the pickles, so we're gonna have a little bit of dill that's also in the dressing. Okay, let's see, we got the pickling liquid. The ingredients, it's all about the ingredients.
No, it's like your magic.
about the
you are
ingredients.
a magic man with a pan.
I still got it. Okay, so let's toss this. Let's add lots of fresh black pepper. We have some celery seed. It's got a natural salinity to it. Even though we didn't have celery, this will give us that flavor. Slide in our onions, our tomatoes, tear this basil right into there. So here is this serrano chili. Sort of flatten it out, and sort of like you would a fish, right? Take the spine of a fish out, and just kind of come back and pull that piece out, and then there's no seeds. And now let's top this with more of our garnishes. I'm marveling in its beauty. All right, let's get in there.
That's really good.
When I just got a little bit of that serrano chili.
Yeah.
It's nice heat right there. It's in
there.
Pretty delicious.
I'm gonna be the hero at the barbecue today because this is what I'm bringing now.